Welcome to KidTot Rhyme Time.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. They sat and laughed, then stood up slow, brushed off leaves and said, "Let's go." They built a slide out of the grass, and down they zoomed so quick, so fast. They saw a bunny by a tree, eating snacks so happily. They shared their lunch, a piece of pie, and watched the clouds float in the sky. Jack found stones in shiny blue, Jill picked daisies kissed with dew. They danced around and sang a tune till stars appeared and showed the moon. So Jack and Jill walked down the hill with tales to tell and hearts to fill. No more spills, just fun and cheer. They'll climb again, this time next year.